In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a PowerPoint presentation in an email. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To start, you'll want to open your PowerPoint presentation. This is the file you intend to share with others, so make sure it's ready to go. Once that's complete, look towards the upper right corner of your screen and click the Share button. This button is your gateway to various sharing options, allowing you to send your presentation effortlessly. Next, you'll want to review the available sharing options that appear. Here, you can choose how you want to share your presentation. For our purposes, you'll need to create a sharing link. This link will enable your recipients to view the presentation without needing the actual file. With that out of the way, copy the generated link. This link is what you'll include in your email message, making it easy for others to access your presentation. Now prepare your email message. Paste the copied link into the body of your email. This ensures that when your recipients receive your email, they can simply click the link to view the presentation. Finally, once shared, your recipients can access the presentation using the provided link. They'll be able to view your PowerPoint without any hassle, making this method both efficient and convenient. And that's how to share a PowerPoint presentation in an email. By following these steps, you can easily distribute your work to colleagues, friends, or anyone who needs to see it.